Everybody, welcome back to devlog number 2 of Zombies. So really in this one I just did some minor tweaks. I'll go ahead and start it. This video might be a bit longer. I'm thinking about starting to add more of the code and stuff into more of the actual logic behind how stuff works instead of just the gameplay and what I'm adding. So I've added a whole bunch of stuff to change the ambience. I added this whole building over here, which you can go to, but I just hadn't added any kind of colliders with it, so you can just walk through it. There's this whole area that will have something. I'm not sure what yet, but I do want to add something there. But one of the big things that I've added that I think I was most happy with are these. And you might be asking yourself, what are these? Really, basically, all they are health drops that I will be adding. Like med kits to later, but I just gotta get the med kit models in my project, which I haven't done yet. But I've added this gun. It doesn't work quite yet, and I still have to add the player in. But if we go back and pause it, okay, here we are. So basically, just a little bit of side, like a bit of the side information stuff that might help you with your projects. Basically, all I have here is I have an empty game object that has my player in it that I do have a capsule collider attached to. I have a I don't even know why I have that. Let me get rid of that, actually. Alright, so I have my first-person collider, I have my capsule collider rigid body, I got my actual first-person script attached to it, and then I have my player stats, so this is like my health, and like everything attached to my health. So like later on, it'll mean like you could get I could like add an infection type of status, but yeah, then I have my joint that has my player camera attached to it, and along with the player camera it has the crosshairs, stamina, and health. So it's just this that I got, this, and then once I'm running the sprint. Then I have the gun that needs to be worked on a whole bunch. I need to add everything to it. I think that's gonna be a big thing that I'm gonna add for the next game, devlog. And then to finally end it off, I just have all my game objects. So I didn't actually show this, but if we do actually zoom in a bit. Oh, they disappeared. I don't know, I'll have to look at that later. Anyways, there are supposed to be fences right there. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know. I'll figure it out here in a little bit and try to get it back up. But yeah, I mean, that's basically it. I got the zombie model. I hadn't added it in yet, so that's one thing that I'm working on. Here's the zombie model. I can go ahead and drop it in just to show you. It's packed full of animations. I just got it off of the Unity asset store, which I do with most of my assets. But I mean, really, other than that, I hadn't done much besides just some straightening up in my code and working on the ambience a whole bunch. But yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, folks, and I'll see you in the next one.